Hey everybody, welcome back to another Plan with me. Jody here at Plan All the Things. This week I'm going to be planning in my classic Cabby planner for November 23rd through the 29th. So we are officially at the big week, the big show, the big kitchen show, Thanksgiving, gobble gobble, all the things. I am so excited to be doing this layout. Going to get to use a lot of my fun fall pumpkin, Thanksgiving stickers. Going to go ahead and get started by laying down my washi tape. I'm using kind of a yellow, how would I describe this pattern? Squares, maybe? Horizontal squares? I think going with yellow for a Thanksgiving fall theme is nice. It's not your usual orange or brown. I think it's going to make a good accent. So I'm going to go ahead and get this laid down. I don't know about you guys, but I love using my seasonal stickers. So fun. And I was going to put this autumn sticker here, but instead I saw this one that says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And then I want to balance it out and put another one up in the upper right hand corner. It says autumn skies and pumpkin pies. What do you guys, do you make your own pies? We do in our house. We do a pumpkin and an apple every year. We make them from scratch. So we, hollow out a pumpkin and bake the insides. A sugar pumpkin, a pie baking pumpkin. And then for the apples, we core and chop, and we even make our own crust. So it's quite a production. Which means this week I won't have time for much other than kind of getting the house kitchen prepped. And then it will be cooking, baking extravaganza, eating, and then sleeping. So I didn't really have any rhyme or reason with this layout. I'm just starting by laying down some decorative elements and then some task boxes. I like this sticker. It was a little bit different, horizontal. Sometimes I like to play with, with shapes. Not always do the usual vertical. And then I covered it with this larger line sticker. One thing I think you can do with fall layout is bring in some botanical themes. Greenery, leaves, certain florals. You certainly wouldn't want like spring colors, but greenery I think is definitely really cool. So like here I'm adding a leaf. This is going to be my task area for Tuesday. Kind of going with a yellow, a peachy, and then I'm going to lay another yellow. Adding these little accent stickers is a great way to add some dimension to your layout. And then or maybe you don't know, but I mentioned in previous videos that I have a really fun collection of Snoopy stickers. Charlie Brown. So for most holidays, I have a Charlie Brown sticker. So here I'm adding Woodstock on some pumpkins for actual Thanksgiving. I think before it's all said and done, I will be adding a couple more. I have to have Snoopy himself make an appearance. For Wednesday, I'm going to do a bulleted checklist. See, look at all these stickers, like these little cute little doodads, accent pieces. Can really just kind of go to town. Adding a pie sticker to go with the pie quote. Adding another decorative quote sticker. You know me, I love stickers. So I'm not afraid to use them. I think sometimes people get scared that it's going to get too busy. But I think I'm of the mind you kind of have to commit. If you're going to go all the way, you got to do it. And I think you'll be happy with the design result. This will be my task box for Saturday. Like I said, I'm not putting a lot of tasks on the weekend because I'm going to want to relax, but B, I know I'll be cleaning up from actually Thanksgiving. So I don't want to put too much on my plate. Pardon the pun. Instead of using a list box on the left. I'm just going to kind of make a decorative element over here covering up notes. And then I'll just use the lines provided on the paper. Anything I want to note and write down. And I'm just adding some decorative leaves, some acorns. I really like how this is coming together. Yeah, kind of bummed we're not going to be able to be with family this year. But, you know, want to be safe. And, you know, actually, Andrew and I have spent Thanksgivings, just the two of us before. When we first moved into our house, almost 8 years ago now, 7 or 8 years ago, our first Thanksgiving. We just wanted to be at home and enjoy our new kitchen. We moved in the fall, like September-ish. So November was a perfect time because, you know, pretty much everything that was important was already unpacked. And just really wanted to break in our new kitchen. So that was fun. Adding a little Snoopy there. Cut him down a little bit because it's a little bit big. I'm also not afraid to cut my stickers if I need to make them work. Using the other half of that sticker actually and putting it over on Tuesday. It's a little Woodstock. Don't want any sticker to go to waste. Leave no sticker behind. This one says, "Gobble till you wobble." I bought some holiday stickers through a different like stationery company a while back. And so I've been trying to slowly get through those. So that's where I got that. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for this layout. I think it turned out really well. I hope it does well for me functionally wise, but we will see that after the pen. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next week, guys, happy planning.